In this project, I will create a page to create a week plan of meals. So in the past, I have a Python script to create it randomly, but it wasn't so friendly. So I decided to create a HTML page with Bootstrap that can show better the results and in fact create a list of shopping and other things. So for that I will just download the Bootstrap CSS and jQuery JS and all the libraries to my project. So it will be easy. Just open the index.html and see the page. So I will just change this with a CSS starter. I will change my folders to be local. I don't need integrity. And then okay, and now I can use Bootstrap locally. So the first thing I will do, I will create 3 columns, one with vegetables, one with proteins, and a free pass meals. Free pass meals will be like the days I can eat bad food. So the project will actually build around that. I always have problems to decide what I'm going to eat, so this will create a week of foods, so of meals, in fact. So for that, I will create like 3 arrays: one with vegetables, of course, one with proteins, and with my free pass meals like McDonald's, barbecues, lasagna, and pasta, whatever. You can choose your meals there. Let me put some list group here. Okay, with Bootstrap it's working. I will add an ID to be easy with jQuery to change and randomly show my lists of foods. In this case I will start with a list of vegetables. So anytime here I actually will show the vegetables, all my vegetables in my list. So anytime I want to add one, edit one, remove, I will see the lists there. It will be easier actually to manipulate my choices of food. So if I want to add vegetables, I will add vegetables to vegetables array. If I want to add proteins like chickens and porks and whatever, if you are vegan, you can't. You can actually create your meals in this with these arrays. So for it, let's start with vegetables. For each position of my array of vegetables, I want to append to my list of vegetables the things I have in there. So I don't need the examples. So it's working. Okay. There I have all my vegetables. I will just do the same thing for proteins and for free meals. Okay, free meals, protein, free meals. Okay, then I just replicate the same thing, and there I have my lists of food that my randoms array can use to generate my meals. So next thing I will create like a calendar, like from day 1 to day 7. I will just create some borders here to make this look friendly. Okay, one border, one pixel. Okay, maybe a gray one can be cool. I will just use a single page. I will not complicate this project too much. It will be just CSS, HTML, and JavaScript. It will be not so complicated. So it will be an easy one. So I will just put the class, add some IDs here. I need my control days and my free days, and these arrays will be like my day 1, 3, 5, and 7 will be control days. So I will only eat what is in my vegetables array and proteins day, and the free days will be the day 2, 4, and 6. So it will be the food that is in my free meals array. So you can change this. So 1 is Monday and 4. Okay, so next I will just randomize my meals to create my schedule, and for that I will uh, make a for, okay, with in my control days. So you can have a full week of control days, you can have a free day, so you just manipulate that array and it will generate the meals as you want, as you wish actually. So because I have ID on my day, I will just use the protein day. Okay, then I will create this a math floor and math random to generate my positions of the array, and we will show the the value in that position. Okay, looks like meal. Okay, so now I have my proteins. I need to do the same thing to my vegetables. Vegetables, exactly. I will add it. Okay. Yeah, it looks really cool, really well. Generating random meals now. So now I just want to generate a shop list. This is really helpful. I will simply create an array, and every time it generates a meal, I will just add a product in that array and show in a list below my schedule week, my week plan actually. So I will just copy and paste this code. I will add some columns and a row. I will call this ID shop list, and then it don't need to be a list actually, just add a div, and I will append actually the food on this list. The meal. I can add the meal actually. Yeah, just add the meal. It's enough to take a list to the supermarket and understand what I need to buy. Okay. Let me have this here, and here, just for testing. Okay, shop list. Okay, there is a T missing. Okay, now I have my shop list, I have my week plan. I don't need to repeat this so much times. Okay, looks amazing now. So what I need now is the free meal list, free meal on my schedule, or actually in my week plan. So it's just a copy paste and change the name of the arrays. And I have my week plan just like that. Just do refresh the page and I will have a new week plan. I hope you enjoy this project and use it a lot like I'm doing right now.